What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be Choppin, and we back with another video. Now, this video is going to be not too long, straight to the point. 10K subscribers, we hit 10K. I just want to say I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Appreciate y'all for liking my videos, watching my videos, commenting, sharing, all that good stuff, man. Like, I can't believe that we made it this far in the game, you know what I'm saying? But we at 10K, so I felt that I have to give back, you know what I'm saying? We reached 10K earlier in the week. I just didn't have time to actually record a video due to me being busy on Instagram, me being busy editing other videos, me being a dad, me being a barber. You know, I got a lot of stuff going on, right? So I didn't have time to actually record this video till today. So I do want y'all to know that for this giveaway, I am going to be going live next Saturday at 5 p.m. And that's November 5th, 5 p.m. Central Time. So I'm just going to be showing y'all what I'm going to be giving away in this video. But to actually win the giveaway, you're going to have to be in the live. So y'all make sure to hit that post notification bell. That way y'all do know when I go live. But nonetheless, guys, let's go ahead and get into some of the stuff that I got right here that I'm going to be giving away. So before we actually get into what I will be giving away, I do got some of the stuff right here. I do want to say, I want to give a shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply. They did sponsor some of this giveaway. They sent me some stuff to give away for 10K. So for anything barber related that y'all need to cop, whether it be clippers, tools, capes, enhancements, anything you need, go to fwbarbersupply.com. Cop from them, man. Those people like family to me, man. I just want to say I appreciate y'all for sending me some stuff for this giveaway. And once again, guys, if y'all need anything barber related, head to fwbarbersupply.com and you can purchase stuff there. They literally got anything you could think of. But with that being said, let's go ahead and look at what we got for this giveaway. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a first place and a second place. And who knows, I may throw some more stuff in here as the week goes on and before I go live next week. But first, we got the Ace Shaver from Stylecraft, as y'all can see right here, still in the box. I got the box right here. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this is the one that I unboxed and I used, but it's only been used for about a week or so. Still got the charger, still got everything you need. So you will be getting an Ace Shaver. Let's put that to the side. And then we also have this aftershave spray, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, you gotta keep your clients smelling fresh, so you will be winning this also. And then I will also be giving away the wall cordless detailer. This is the new detailer right here. Has everything in the box that you need for it to go. And then we also got the wall cordless magic clips. We got the new Illusion cape right here, cape from Illusion. Once again, shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply for providing some of this stuff. We do got the Babyliss FX2 shaver. Another bottle of some aftershave. We have the Low Pro FX limited edition. As y'all can see, these are the Go joints. Once again, guys, these are the ones that I unboxed and I used, but I cleaned them off. They're still like brand new. Got the charger in here. Everything you need is in here. So you will be given a chance to win these also. We also got, check this out. Well, I'm not even gonna take it out of here, but hope y'all can see through the bubble wrap. We got a 245 cordless compressor, the Beam Team XL. As y'all can see, we will be giving that away also. So like I said, we got a good amount of stuff. I'm giving away 2 clipper and trimmer sets. We got some little, you know, some other little things in there, you know, capes, shavers, you know what I'm saying? So I will be giving that away. Once again, guys, that is next Saturday, November 5th at 5, was it 5th? Yeah. November 5th at 5 p.m. Central Time. I will be going live and you have to be in the live to win the giveaway. So basically to win, you have to be in the live, but you also have to make sure to like this video and you also have to comment down below, road to 50K. That's what I want y'all to comment in the bottom because that's the next milestone I'm going to be working hard to get is that 50K. So down below, make sure that you comment road to 50K. Make sure you like this video and you have to be in the live next Saturday, November 5th at 5 p.m. Central Time. And that's basically all you got to do. And who knows, man, I might be throwing in some more stuff. I do got this and this Revite clipper right here that I really don't use anymore. So I might throw that in there as well. So y'all just make sure that y'all stay tuned, guys. Make sure y'all hit that post notification bell. This is just what I have now. I might be throwing some more stuff in there. Who knows, guys. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, if you want to join the contest, you got to make sure you like this video. You got to comment down below, road to 50K, and you have to be in my live next week. That's next Saturday, November 5th at 5 p.m. Central Time. But with that being said, guys, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.